next problem, it says Jermaine is saving money to purchase a used car. He places $850 in savings, and the account earns 1.65% interest annually. So this one doesn't have a unit rate per se, and I think the main reason for that is, when we think about it, is because it is an exponential function. Now, you guys don't know that. Basically what it boils down to is that it's not a constant rate. There's a curve and not a straight line. So now let's think about what the independent variable is. We're really comparing interest in dollars, I think, right? Because that's the total amount. Or it could be just the interest itself, but based on the way the graph looks, I think it's the interest in dollars, and I think it's compounded annually. So the next thing is that our I would say that our independent variable is years. We're measuring it in years. Annually means once a year. So then our dependent variable, depending on how you interpret the graph, but based on the information, I'm gonna even say that maybe it's a total sum of the interest plus the original investment. And the reason I say this is, if I had to guess, I would say that probably the initial investment of $850 is going to be this, what we call the y-intercept, if I were to guess. Although there isn't enough information given in the original statement or scenario to know 100% for sure if that's the case. But this would be a good place to guess. And maybe instead of interest, I would say interest plus principal. So, you know, that's a pretty big one there. Okay, if I were to guess.